Okay guys, this is a quick tip on how to sew your Lone Star pieces together and get perfect points every time. These are the tools you're going to need. Fabric glue. I also like to use my Easy Press pen. And then this is the secret weapon. If you're a seamstress, you probably have one of these. This. And you're going to need a ruler that has some sort of 1/4 inch marking. So what we're going to do is, this is our piece that we're sewing on, and as you know, you sew your strips on to make your Lone Stars. This is in many different Quiltworx quilts. Prismatic Star. This one happens to be the Amazon Star. But so we need to sew this on, and before I take the papers off, what I'm going to do is match up the edges here. There's smart corners on either one, so you should be able to match these up nice and easy. Just going to match that up. Going to match this side up. Match the edge of the fabrics up. We're not going to use any glue at this point. We're just trying to match the seam, the edge of both pieces. One with the paper, my bottom larger piece already has the papers removed. I'm going to take my 1/4 inch, lay that right on the edge of the fabric, and so my 1/4 inch on my paper should be right at the edge of this ruler. And what I'm going to take is my handy dandy little tool here, and right where these seams cross over, make sure it's straight, I'm going to mark right here, and I'm going to mark right here. Just enough so I can see it on the fabric once I take the papers off. Now I'm going to take the papers off real quick. Okay, here's my piece with the papers off. One other quick little tip, just to eliminate some of the bulk, I'm just going to snip off these little dog ears on these two right there. Okay, now take my glue stick and go ahead and glue down my edges here, matching up exactly the pieces. Other side. Okay. Now, if we come back here, okay, after we zoomed in a little bit, you can see where those marks are from the tracing tool on both pieces. So what we're going to do is get our glue stick ready. We're going to fold this top piece back basically right on those perforated dots. Then on the bottom piece, where you see these perforated lines, we're going to line those up right at the seam here. So you should see the seam looks exactly matched up, and we've got the dots here on both sides. So I'm just going to put a little dab of glue right there in that 1/4 inch seam allowance, not a lot. Then be very careful not to move it, and we're going to glue that down. We'll do the same thing on this one. It's a little harder to see because it's dark, but same thing, we'll fold it back on the dots. These seams line up right here. We've got it matched up with the perforated dots. Okay, and we're going to take that to the sewing machine. All right, so now we're at the sewing machine, and the first thing I do is I take a piece of my scrap paper. We're going to make sure that we have an accurate 1/4 inch seam allowance, and as I have pointed out in some of my previous videos, I like to take this little piece of paper, I'll place it under my presser foot and line up my needle with this 1/4 inch seam allowance and the edge of the paper. I've already done that on my machine. You can watch some of my other videos to get a more detailed in-depth of how to do that. But so now that I've got my 1/4 inch good to go, I'm just going to put the paper in there and do a few stitches, just enough to get the paper started. Then I'm going to take my piece that I'm sewing and I'm going to line the fabric up with the edge of my presser foot. So I've got my 1/4 inch and I'm just going to go ahead and start sewing. And we're just going to sew along with our nice accurate 1/4 inch seam allowance. And as you get down here where these perforations are, you should see that your needle will go right over top of those, because that is where we marked our 1/4 inch. And we're just going to sew right off the edge of the, if we're sewing accurately, our 1/4 inch should come right off at this point. All right. Okay, I've pressed my seams and I just wanted to show you, these are the ones that we sewed right here, these two. So that one, let's center that, zoom in. Nice, perfect points. And this one, nice points. So that is the secret weapon that I like to use when I sew my Lone Star pieces together, is just a tiny little dab of fabric glue, and the secret weapon is my tracing tool that I used when I sew clothing. So I hope this little tip helps. If this tip did help you and you like it, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let me know if this helped you and what other tips and tricks you'd like to see. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.